Hello everyone, welcome to Quantifiers. So students, let us discuss one more question on ZAT. And anybody wants to enroll for the course of ZAT students, link for that is also given in the description. Moreover students, if you haven't tried this question, please pause the video and give this question a try. It's a good question on time, speed and distance. So now it is given that deer and tiger are going in the same direction. Basically, deer is chasing the tiger and the gap between them is 40 steps. Okay. Gap between them is 40 steps. And this 40 steps is basically of deer. Okay. Right. It is given that deer notices that it is 40 steps away from the tiger. So the distance between deer and tiger is equivalent to 40 steps of deer. Now, students, these two lines are very important. When deer is taking 5 steps, tiger is taking 6 steps. Okay. So they basically now here they are talking about the time. That means when deer takes 5 steps in the same time, tiger is going to take 6 steps. Further, it is given distance covered by deer in 2 steps. Now the distance which deer covers in 2 steps, same distance is covered by tiger in 3 steps. Now students, this 3 and this 2 is very important. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking a distance which is a multiple of 3 and 2. So I'm taking as 6 meters. See, you can take any multiple of 2 and 3. So I'm assuming 6 meters is the distance which deer covers in 2 steps. So can I say one step of deer? One step of deer will now be equal to 3 meters. And we can also say that one step of tiger will now be equal to 2 meters. Because 6 meters deer takes 2 steps. And for this 6 meter, tiger is taking 3 steps. So one step of deer is equivalent to 3 meters. And one step of tiger will be equivalent to 2 meters. Now see this line. This is very important. When the deer is taking 5 steps, so can I say when deer takes 5 steps, so deer will cover 5 into 3, 15 meters. And in the same time, okay, in the same time, tiger is taking 6 steps and each step of tiger is 2 meters. So can I say tiger will be covering 12 meters? Now students, this is the distance which deer and tiger, they are covering in the same time. So what I'm doing is I'm assuming that speed of deer, I'm assuming the speed of deer to be 15 meters per second, right? So speed of tiger will be what? It will be 12 meters per second. See, you can take any unit, right? Instead of seconds, you can take minute also. It does not matter. Answer is not going to change. Now students, it becomes a simple question of time, speed and distance. Now, first of all, let us convert this distance into meters. So 40 steps of deer, 40 steps of deer will be how much? 40 into 3, 120 meters. So basically the distance is 120 meters. And students, we know the speed of deer and tiger, so we can find the time. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Distance is 120, speed, relative speed, going in the same direction. So we'll take the difference. So this comes out to be 40 seconds. Okay, so that means after 40 seconds, deer will catch the tiger. But what is the question? The question is how many steps the deer will take. Okay, students. Now to find how many steps, first of all, let us see what will be the distance covered by deer. Now, can I say in 40 seconds? In 40 seconds, deer will cover how much? Deer will cover 40 into 15. This is the distance which deer is going to cover, but we have to find number of steps. And one step of deer is how many meters? One step of deer is 3 meters. So we'll divide it by 3. Okay, students. So answer comes out to be 40 into 5, 200 steps. 200 steps is the correct answer. I hope this is clear to everyone. In case if you have any doubts, you can comment it in the group. Okay, students. Thank you, everyone.